YouTube. Well, the next day I thought I'd come out here and after this glue's all dried up on this bed and let you guys experience my first extension of this thing, whether it be a complete failure or a success. I pulled the screws out and my shims, so I got no supports in there or anything. And of course I don't have the legs installed, so when I pull it out here it's not going to sit right yet. But I wanted to extend it so I could put the legs on it, measure and get the lengths of the legs, and I thought it'd be kind of neat to show this first slide on YouTube or on the channel. We'll see how it works out. See if I got any parts glued together that aren't supposed to be. So here we go, and I'm kind of doing this, you know, holding the camera with one hand and the bed with the other, and the bed is not secured to the floor, so it may, who knows. Here we go. Alright, well, it's hanging up down there somewhere. There you go. Call that a success or a failure. Let me work on this a little bit and find out what's going on. I may have to trim something down. It slid about a foot, pretty nice. Something down there is getting kind of tight, one of those boards. Probably that end board is a little wider than what it should be or something, but alright, catch you shortly. So the problem was I had at least 3 of these were apparently they're not completely straight, so when I pulled it out they started rubbing on the other one. So on the inside here on the left side I cut out these 3 wedges. I just shaved off 1/4 of an inch out here at the edge and then tapered it off like 4 inches up. So that's still going to be on the support, on the center support, so I don't think it's going to take away from the weight. Now I may have to do, I only did 3 to start with, cut off those 3 pieces, little wedges. So we'll see if that was enough. If not, I may have to do some more fine tuning on it. So if you're putting one of these together and using the method that I used, consider that. Think about, I don't know, maybe the gap's too small between the boards, or bottom line was I just didn't get at least these 3 perfectly straight in there, so it's creating an issue. We'll see how that works out. Alright, there's the bed all extended. I keep saying it's 75 inches long, but that's not true. The mattress is 75 inches long. The frame from this corner to the other corner is 72. So the frame is 3 inches shorter than the mattress. And I don't think I'll have to cut the mattress. I think I've got plenty of room for it to squish up against the seats, and if I had to, I could move those seats forward a little bit when the bed is set. But it is 48, it's actually 48 1/4 inches wide, so it pulls open wide enough to support the mattress. I got the legs all underneath there on this side, and then of course the 6 legs on this side. What I'm going to do is make, remember these window magnets I made? I'm going to make 3 of these little brackets, and I'm going to cut underneath this plastic. I'm going to cut a slit in the plastic right by each one of these 3 legs along this edge, and then stick that bracket to the floor, and then put the mat over the top with the slit so that the bracket comes up through it and up against this leg, so that it holds the leg in place. And I'm just going to use that 3M heavy duty tape, stick the brackets to the floor so I don't have to drill any holes. And then I'll maybe I could put 1 screw into the leg through the bracket to keep it from moving forward and backward, but it's really not got nowhere to go forward and backward. But anyway, that'll keep it from rattling around if I'm on a bumpy dirt road or something. But that way it'll hold the main frame in place when we're traveling down the road and it's all folded up. That way it doesn't vibrate or move. I don't think it's going to take much to hold it in place, but 3 of those, 1 on each one of those legs on that side, I think will be plenty to do it. So this is single-handed. All closed up. And then to bring it back out, there we go. So it works pretty good. It's working out pretty decent so far. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to get Selena to help me put that mattress. The mattress is in one piece. It has not been modified yet, but I'm going to throw it up on here and just kind of see what that looks like. And then lay up on here and see how sturdy it seems. Hopefully it's going to be good enough to do the trick. Here's what it looks like with the mattress in there. We did not cut the mattress down yet, and actually, to be honest with you, I'm not sure that I'm going to. It's a pretty nice mattress. We may end up trying to do a different type of mattress or just buy some foam, but boy, this one sure fits in there nice, and it's pretty darn comfy. 8-inch memory foam mattress. This mattress weighs 45 pounds, so it's pretty darn heavy. I don't think that that's putting us overweight or anything, but it's pretty darn big and bulky, and even if we did cut that in half, that's going to be I don't know, it's going to be a lot of mattress to deal with, but boy, it sure is nice. Underneath, just like a bed at home, basically. I know it's pretty dark in there, but it sure fits good. And I can close both doors. Probably kill all the light, but fits just perfect. Anyhow, I guess that'll wrap it up for this one, guys. On the next one, we'll look and see. I'm gonna get those brackets in there, hold the bed in place, hold the frame in place. I'm gonna try my other little 4-inch foam mattress that I used last winter in here just to see what that's like, and then I may consider just getting another one of those in addition to the one I currently have, and it'll be a lot less cushion to be dealing with. We'll see. I'm going to throw it in here and see how comfortable it is, but it worked for me last year or last winter. We'll see. Hope you're all doing well out there. Thanks for watching the videos, guys, and see you on the next one.